First, we'll do a print statement, welcome to the Madlibs generator. Next, we'll print, let's get started. So from here, we're going to add a bunch of variables. First, we'll do an adjective and an input statement, pick an adjective. We'll do another adjective, number 2, input, we'll just copy and paste, input, pick another adjective, and now an animal, pick an animal, a noun, pick a noun, and last we'll do food, pick a food. So here we'll do our print statement with an F string, 1, adjective, summer day, animal, went to the noun to get a adjective 2 and food. So we'll run this, pick an adjective, we'll do silly, adjective, colorful, goat, library, and pizza. One silly summer day, a goat went to the library to get a colorful pizza. Subscribe.